How to do an ignition switch cylinder on a 98 Mustang Cobra. Here is the spring right here. Here's the tumblers. There's the grease. There's the cylinder. There's the two balls. This is the old one right here. This is the new one. You got 4 tumblers on bottom and 3 on top. There's the 3 there and the 4 on the bottom. I'm going to start with a 4 on the bottom first. Or the 3 on, I'm going to start with the 3 on top first. So there's the 3. You want to take these out. Hold on a second. Here's the tumbler, and the number is 3 3 and there's also some springs in there as well you got to put in, and it comes with a set of springs too. Here are the springs. There's 1 2 3. Hold on a second, they're all tangled up. There's 1 2 3 4 5. They're all right here. Those springs go into here. So I'm going to start doing that now, but I'm going to put some grease on. So here what it looks like with the grease on it. I'm going to start putting the springs in, and I will show you how to do that. I just put the 3 springs in on the bottom. Where'd they go? I'm going to put the tumblers in now, but you got to make sure you match them from the old ones when you put them in the new ones. If you don't get it correct, the car won't start. So let me do that and I'll get back to you. Alright, I'm sorry guys, I'm back. I dropped a spring and I couldn't find it, but I got one of the tumblers in. It's right there. And we're going to take the next one out on the old one. So we'll go to here and see what this number is. And this number is I can't see what that is. Four. The number 4. Can't really see it, but that's number 4. Alright, we go to a bag over here and find number 4. There's number 4 right there. We'll grab that out. So hold on a second. Just hold on a second. There's number 4 right here. There's number 4. And we'll put it in the new one. So let me put that in real quick. It goes right in here. But I'm gonna need both hands for this, so hold on. And the last one on that side is a number 2. So let me go grab the number 2s, which is right that's number 5. Hold on, I gotta find number 2. That's 5, 4, 3, 1. Where's number 2? That's 5. Uh-oh. That's 4. That's 3. That's 4. That's 3. Number 2. Hold on, guys. I gotta set you down so I can find number 2. Which is, nope, never mind. I found it. It's right here. Number 2. I'll put that one in the last one, then we'll do the other side and put it all together. So hang in there. Alright, number 2's in. That side's all finished, as you can see right there. And we're going to flip it. And on the other side, there's 4 tumblers on that side. So let me get those all set up, and I'll get back to you. Alright, I'm back. We're going to do the other side now. It's pretty hard to hold the phone and do this because these parts are very small, and I already dropped one spring and I don't want to keep dropping parts. But this is the last side. This has 4, the other side has 3. So let me get one of these out and see what number it is. The number is number 4. A number 4. So we'll grab a number 4. That's 3. Number 4 right here. We'll grab a number 4. And we will put the number 4 in. Right here. This is number 4 right here. Number 4 goes right here. And I will put that in and I'll get back to you. I need both hands for this, so hold on, guys. I'm back. I got number 4 in, which is right there where my finger is. Let me point to it right there. And we'll get the next one out and see what number that is. This number is number 6. Number 6. No, number 5, I'm sorry. The numbers are hard to read because they're pretty faded. A number 5. We'll find number, there's 2, 4. There's 1. Here's other number 5s right here. Let me double check, make sure that's 5. Yep, number 5. So let me get that in and I'll get back to you. 2 more to go. I'm going to pull the next one out. And Next one is three. Number 3, which is right here. Let me grab another number 3. Number 3. Number 3. I'm gonna put that in. It goes right here. And you got one more after that, then we'll put the other stuff in. So give me a minute to do this. One more to go and we're done with that. So the last number is hold on a second, I can't really see it, it's too faded. Number 4. Number 4. So let's go to number 4. That's 5. Number 4 is right here. Let me grab another number 4. Hold on, let me grab it. I don't want to lose it. Here is the last one with the tumblers. Number 4. Let me put this right in there and I'll get right back to you. Now that is all finished. Now we gotta do we didn't use no number 1s. So didn't need the number 1s. I don't think. No. So I make sure. Nope, no number 1s. Alright, we're good there. Now we gotta put in the actuator, which is this little black guy right here. And this goes in on the side. Put that. And this goes in right here. I'll show you where that goes. Hold on a second, guys. It goes right here. Right there where that hole is, right there. That goes in there. I want to make sure though, hold on. Yep, it goes right in there. Yep. Now I will put the spring in. This is the spring that comes with a kit. And that goes in inside this hole right here. And get this out of the way so I don't get that all mixed up. And you got to take this lock retainer out. You use a screwdriver to pull up, or you can use your fingers. This actuator right here has got to come off. Then you put the that on, then you take the actuator off, then you put the ball in the hole. Then you put this back on. So let me do that real quick because the balls are pretty small and I don't want to lose them. So be right back with you guys. I pretty much showed you guys how to do the hard stuff. Pretty much rest is easy. You take this thing off here, you slide it on, drop the ball down, and you put this back on here and connect that all together. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, leave your questions down below. Hit that bell, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.